Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove auto login in Facebook on Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice three vertical dots positioned there which represent the Chrome menu. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various browser options and settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Settings. This will open Chrome's main settings page where you can manage all aspects of your browser, from privacy controls to saved passwords. The settings page is your central hub for customizing how Chrome works for you. Once you're on the settings page, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical navigation menu with several categories listed. Find and click on Autofill and Passwords. This section specifically handles all the information Chrome automatically fills in for you, including passwords, addresses, and payment methods. It's where Chrome stores your login credentials for different websites. Within the Autofill and Password section, you'll see an option labeled Google Password Manager. Click on it to proceed. This is Google's built-in password management tool that securely stores all your saved login information across different websites and services. It keeps track of every account you've chosen to save in Chrome. Now you'll see a list of all the websites and services for which you have saved passwords. Scroll through this list and locate facebook.com. Click on it to view the specific password entries associated with Facebook. This will open up the details for your Facebook login credentials. After clicking on Facebook, you'll be able to see all your saved accounts for this platform. If you've logged into multiple Facebook accounts on this browser, they'll all be listed here. Each entry shows the username or email associated with that particular Facebook account. To remove the auto login feature, simply click the delete button next to the account you want to remove. This action will permanently remove the saved password from Chrome's memory, which means Chrome will no longer automatically fill in your login information when you visit Facebook. You'll need to manually enter your credentials the next time you want to log in, and that's it. You've successfully removed Facebook's auto login from Google Chrome, giving you better control over your account security and privacy. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.